Hi, I'm Brian, Technical Manager at Centura. Today I'll be presenting TEC's Accucolor product line, including a premium sanded and unsanded grout, a sanded and unsanded acrylic caulking, as well as 100% silicone caulking. I'll also talk about TEC's Grout Boost, which is a water replacement product for the grout that increases stain resistance. TEC's Accucolor premium grouts are polymer-enhanced products used for both commercial and residential projects. Typically, you would use the sanded product, Accucolor 650, for floor applications with joints from 1/8 of an inch up to 1/2 inch wide. The unsanded version, Accucolor 620, is typically used for wall applications with joints of 1/16 of an inch to 1/8 of an inch. However, it can be used on floors when needed, usually for tiles that are more sensitive to scratches. These products are available in a 10 or 25 pound format, which are packaged in moisture-resistant plastic bags. Like all grouts, coverage varies per tile size and grout joint width. For example, a 10-pound bag will cover about 190 square feet with a 12 by 24 by 3/8 of an inch thick tile with joints of 1/8 of an inch wide. The same bag with a 2 by 2 by 1/4 inch tile with joints of 1/8 of an inch wide will cover about 35 square feet. You can easily figure out what your project requires with TEC's coverage application available for both Android and iOS devices or right off of TEC's website, linked below. Please note the water differences for each product. A 10-pound bag of sanded Accucolor requires about 600 to 700 milliliters of water, whereas the same format of unsanded Accucolor requires twice the amount at about 1.2 to 1.4 liters of clean, fresh water. A great way to improve Accucolor stain resistance is to replace the water from the mix with TEC's Grout Boost. This product will render the grout practically stain-proof and will remove the need to seal the grout. Grout Boost is available in 800 milliliters or 2.07 liters and can be used with either the sanded or unsanded grout. If you do not use Grout Boost in your mix, then I recommend you seal your joints with Aquamix's Grout Sealer or for more demanding conditions with their Sealer's Choice Gold. Another important aspect to any tile installation is the use of a flexible joint or movement joints. TEC offers 3 different caulking products in all of TEC's grout colors for a perfect match. We recommend using their acrylic caulking products in dry areas and 100% silicone for wet areas or areas subject to freeze or thaw conditions. I personally love that you can only tell it's a flexible joint by touching it, as aesthetically both cementitious and acrylic joints look very similar. I hope you found this video informative and interesting. Please leave your comments and follow us on our social media platforms. Thank you.